From the depths of the jungle to our urban landscapes, some animals possess intelligence that truly astounds us. They can learn, adapt, and even outsmart humans. Octopuses, with their incredible problem-solving skills, are masters of escape. They can manipulate objects and squeeze through impossibly small spaces. Dolphins exhibit remarkable cooperation and strategy. They use intricate hunting techniques, like creating mud nets, to trap fish for their pod. Crows are incredibly resourceful, even using human infrastructure to their advantage. They strategically drop nuts onto busy roads, letting cars do the cracking. Border collies demonstrate an astounding ability to understand and execute complex commands. Their herding instincts are finely tuned, almost like human intuition. Elephants possess extraordinary long-term memory, recalling paths and individuals across vast distances in many years. Their wisdom is unmatched in the animal kingdom.